ಇದು hoot owl hoot.
ಇದು hoot owl hoot. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
1 2 3 4.
ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾವುದು?
Hoot owl hoot hoot. ಇದು ಕೂಬೆ owl.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ರಾತ್ರಿಯ ಚಂದ್ರ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಇರೋ ಸೂರ್ಯ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗುಷ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಿದೆ. ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಕಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು.
This is a very interesting cooperative games for kids of 4 years of age group. We have kids of similar age. Now the intention of this game is you have to ensure that all the birds reach their respective nest much before the sun rise. This is a cooperative game where players are not playing against each other, but players are playing together to achieve the common objective and playing against the very design of the game. Let's see how they go. So the strategy here is, now because I have a green card here, what I will do right now is I am going to pick up this card and cross over this green owl so that I can reach the destination faster. As you can clearly see, Hoot Owl Hoot is an interesting game which can be played by kids of 4 years and plus. 2 or 4 players can play. It takes maximum 15 minutes to play this. It has a game board with 6 owls, a sun token, 50 cards with 14 sun cards and 36 color cards. And the steps is play the card from your hand and then put it back in the discard pile. Move either an owl or the sun token, whichever you have. Every time you put a card, you will also draw a new card. Okay. Here you have the owl. The role of this owl is to reach its particular nest much before sun travels this distance. How does it happen is by strategizing this game with cooperative players. As I mentioned, now I have 3 owls in 3 respective blue zone. If I have another owl to be brought in now, this particular owl is at the start. Now let's see how this game unfolds. Here is my blue card that I am playing, and my luck starts now, and the strategy begins here when I cannot keep in this blue or in this blue, so I directly come all the way till here. So now the strategy is I should not be a fool in getting this blue here, but rather a blue which is the farthest, so that I travel fast and reach the destination faster. So this is how I jump across the existing owls, because they've all taken the blue position and come to this position. So this is one of the simplest strategies that I have explained to you, which you can also teach a 4-year-old child. Thank you.